Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you today? Okay. Are you ready to study with me? Yeah. Okay, please prepare your notebook and your LKS to study with me about agreement and disagreement. Okay, my students. Agreement in Indonesia mean setuju, and disagreement in bahasa is tidak setuju. Okay, in your LKS please open page 13 ya. Okay, now look at this PowerPoint about agreement and disagreement. Okay, agreement and disagreement, it is cited in kompetensi dasar 3.2, yaitu menerapkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait maksud, tujuan, persetujuan melakukan suatu tindakan atau kegiatan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Okay, last week we have studied about maksud or tujuan or expression of intention, and now we study about this. We study about persetujuan, ya, persetujuan melakukan suatu tindakan kegiatan sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. So, perhatikan di sini agreement and disagreement, setuju dan tidak setuju. Okay, student, this is learning objectives, tujuan pembelajaran. Yang pertama, okay, the first student are able to give suggestion. Siswa dapat memberikan satu saran. Okay, the second, students are able to agree with something. Siswa dapat menyatakan setuju terhadap sesuatu. Students are able to disagree with something. Siswa bisa menyatakan tidak setuju terhadap sesuatu. The fourth is students are able to respond to agreement. Yang keempat, siswa bisa merespon kalimat setuju. And 5, students are able to respond to disagreement. Okay, this is the example of statement or suggestion and also about agree or disagree. Okay, the example, what if we hold a storytelling competition next year? Bagaimana jika kita mengadakan kompetisi storytelling tahun depan? Okay, if you agree, you can say, that is good idea. I agree with you. And if you don't agree or you disagree, you can say, I disagree. I think it is better to hold it this year. Ya, jika tidak setuju, ini contohnya seperti itu. Okay, next example. Our class need to buy a new rubbish bin. Kelas kita perlu membeli tempat sampah yang baru. Ya, if you agree, you say, yes, I agree. Or if you disagree, you can say, I don't think so. This one is still okay. Okay, the last example. Kuta Beach is a beautiful place in Bali. We can say, you are right if we agree. And if we disagree, we can say, I don't agree with your opinion. Okay, my students, lihat. Look in here is the sentences that stated in agree column. Yeah, this is the example of statement that say agree. And this is the examples if we disagree. So the agree, that is good idea. Yes, I agree. You are right. And if disagree, I disagree. I don't think so. I don't agree. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, next ya. This is the example of dialogue using agreement, expression. This is about Dayu and Rara. Hi Rara, have you watched Toy Story 3 movie in cinema? Rara, sure, I watched it last night. Dayu, what do you think of it? Rara, I think it is a good movie. From the movie, we can learn about friendship, unity, never giving up, etc. Dayu, I do agree. I do agree with you, Rara. Okay, this is the example of dialogue using agreement expression. How about disagreement? Okay, this is the example of dialogue using disagreement expression between Putra and Agung. Do you agree if we compete our football with others? No, I'm not sure about that. No, I'm not sure about that. Okay? Apakah kamu setuju jika kita mengadakan kompetisi tim football kita dengan yang lain? No, I'm not sure about that. Our team still have some more practices. Oh, saya nggak yakin deh tentang itu. Tim kita sepertinya harus lebih banyak latihan. Putra, yeah, you are right. Keep spirit. Okay, you are right here is also agreement ya. Kalau no, I'm not sure about that. Ini adalah expressing disagreement. Okay. Okay, my students, yeah, that is a lesson about agreement and disagreement. And then, please look at your LKS, page 13. Please do task 1 and 2. Okay, write in your LKS and then photo that and send to my number. WA ya, okay. Keep spirit. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.